All right, team. Today we're talking about the Barford 750J RS. And what we're gonna focus on is your crusher drive motor and your belts. This is an inspection point that you need to be doing because the drive belts are rubber, so as they wear, they will stretch and you will need to adjust. So let's take a deeper look. Off the back, you have your drive pulley. Your drive pulley is slotted for all your belts to run through. It then comes up and around your flywheel. This is what makes your jaw move. So when we inspect, we want to take one finger, come to each belt and pull down in the middle. You should have one belt width give. So when you drag the belt down, it should come down to the bottom of the next belt. So on and so forth. To adjust that, what you do is you'll get through the top access panel that is just behind the crushing chamber, 2 bolts to get into, 19 millimeter. You'll go down and you'll adjust your T-bolts to push or pull your blue drive motor, just like adjusting a very large alternator. Other important inspection points is to ensure your wedge sheave off of your drive motor is tight and nothing is slipping. You can check this by taking a look at the 2 Allen head bolts that are countersunk inside of the sheave. These should come with torque seal. If they're not torque seal when you get it, put torque seal on them. And that is how you check your crusher drive.